This is the IST standards for educators. First is the learner. Educators continually improve their practice by learning from and with others and exploring proven and promising practices that leverage technologies to improve the student learning. Leaders, educators seek out opportunities for leadership to support students' empowerment and success and to improve teaching and learning. Citizen educators inspire students to positively contribute to and responsibly participate in the digital world. Collaborator educators dedicate time to collaborate with both colleagues and students to improve practice, discover and share resources and ideas, and solve problem educators. Designer educators design authentic learner-driven activities and environments that recognize and accommodate learners' variability. Facilitators. Educators facilitate learning with technology to support student achievements of the IST standards for educators. Analysts. Educators understand and use data to drive their instruction and support students in achieving their learning goals. This is the IST. Now we have a road trip, or like a road map. First we have nationality, then we have community, and then we have globally, which means that all of us must connect with the students in all of the three aspects. We should connect with them nationally, community, and globally, because if you don't make a connection with your students, you will not be successful in the classroom. Now we have a road. Now, one of the major concerns for teachers is the digital age. Educators now have to learn how to be effective teaching their students digital. The students now get the web or like the laptops for some other purpose, and we need to have that in mind. Educators should teach the students how to use technology properly, how to not get encouraged from school and have a better education using this technology tool and learn from what the internet or this technology equipment can give the students access. They can have access to documentaries, multiple research papers that have been done through the internet without the necessity of going to an actual library or to an actual study group. They have access